Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to do your tax return yourself. First, we'll cover the fundamental steps for preparing your return, ensuring you understand the process from start to finish. Next, we'll identify all the crucial documents you'll need to gather. Then, we'll explore the various filing methods available, helping you choose the best option. Finally, we'll guide you through reviewing and submitting your return accurately and confidently. Before you begin, gathering all your documents is key. Start by collecting all income statements, like your Form W-2 from employers and various Form 1099s for other income sources. Next, organize any records for potential deductions, such as receipts for medical expenses or charitable donations. Don't forget to track information for any tax credits you might qualify for. Having your Social Security number and last year's return readily available will also streamline the process. Once your documents are ready, it's time to choose how you'll file. You can opt for tax software, which guides you step by step, or utilize the IRS free file program if your income meets specific criteria. Alternatively, you can download and complete paper forms, though this requires careful manual calculation and mailing. Consider your comfort with technology and the complexity of your financial situation when making this important decision to ensure accuracy. The final step is crucial: a thorough review. Double-check every entry for accuracy, paying close attention to Social Security numbers, income figures, and bank account details for refunds or payments. Confirm that all deductions and credits have been correctly applied. Once you are confident everything is accurate, submit your return. Electronic filing offers faster processing, typically within 21 days, while mailing paper forms requires more time, so send them promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.